morning, students. Myself, Jivraj R, Department of Assistant Professor, Department of ISE, SJBIT. Now we'll go for the second program, that is 2A. Design a superclass called staffs with the details of staff ID, name, and the salary. Extend the class by writing the three subclasses, that is name, teaching, domain, and with the publication, technical skills, etc. Write a Java program to display the at least three object of all these categories. So this program is basically based on a concept called inheritance. It's basically based on an inheritance, and it is usually dependent, or it is being written on one of the type of inheritance called multi-level inheritance, where we'll be having A with B. A is a main class and B is a subclass, where B extends the main class, that is class B extends class A. Now we'll check out with the program, call the scanner class. Class staff is a main class where we have given a three variable, that is staff ID, name, phone number, and salary. These are the four variables which has been given to the main class. Now we have given void read as one function and void display as one function, where void read will take staff ID, name, phone number, salary. These are the four variable name which has to be taken by using a scanner class. You know that how to take a scanner class, how to take the input from the keyboard by using a scanner class. And the display function we have given as where we have to display the value, that is staff ID, name, phone number, salary. Done. Okay. Now we have given one more class. We have extended the main class using an extend keyword. We have called a class teaching extends staff, that is extend keyword is used to extend the main class, and we have called one super keyword we have called, where the super keyword we have called, it should be the first statement of subclass where we have to inherit the function of the main class. Are you getting? Now we have given as super dot read. That is, if I given a keyword called super dot read, it should be the first statement of subclass where you have to inherit the value of subclass to the main class to the subclass. Okay, done. Now, and here we have taken a publication as one data variable, and we have read the value as publications, and next is we have displayed the value. So one display value is in the main class and another display in the subclass, and we have called one more class called technical, which extends the main class. Main class is, now we have, that is the main class which we have used over here is staff. Done. Now we have called two methods, that is technical, that is read technical, and display function. Again we have called one more class, that is contract, which extends the main class. So the level it goes on A, B, C, and D. So A is a main class, B, C, and D are the subclasses of main class, that is A. Okay, done. Now the class contract has been extended. Again that extends the staff class, that is main class. Now we have read two function, that is contract, that is read contract, and with a display function. And super keyword we have called for only for the main class. Only for the super key can be used only for the main class. Okay. Now we have called with a public static void main, and we have created three objects we have created, and we have read the function. We have read the function. Three objects we have created, that is one is for teaching staffs, one is for printing the value, one is for displaying the value. Here we can see the value has been displayed, that is displaying the value, printing the value, and executing the value. That is n number of value will be displayed over here. Now I have given that is object can be created only one object can be created only for the teaching staffs. Okay, now we'll check out with the output. Thank you.
Let's see the output of the program. I'll debug this. So you can see the input. It is asking the number of staff details to be created. I'll say 1. So for the teaching staff details, I have to give the staff ID and the name of the staff, then the phone number of him, then whatever the salary of him, and then whatever his domain, I'll say it as teaching only, and then whatever the publications, and this is what the details for teaching. Then we'll go for the technical, then the same details you want to enter. I'm just entering the abrupt data of here, so some random data, so kindly bear with us. The next one, the contract details. This is what the things which you have to give. So whatever the details you are giving it. So what is the contract period? I'll say 12 months. So once you give that, so you can see the details of the teaching, that staff ID's name and so on and so forth, whatever the details, and the technical staff details and the contract staff details will be displayed as it is, with a heading of whatever it is, the period and the salary heading, so phone numbers and the name and as it is. So this is what the output is.